This is Irontrader, and this is midday trading. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. But first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look here at Bitcoin, and my new ETF, IBIT, is how I trade Bitcoin. Okay, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy or sell a stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have Bitcoin daily chart and we have IBIT. Now, I did a lot of research on this as far as the ETFs, and I chose this one here for simple reason. It is spot price of Bitcoin, which I like, which you can see the charts are almost identical. Okay, and what I like about it is BlackRock backs this, and they have 30 billion okay, in assets, okay? Plus, look at the volume. You've already done 24 million shares. You're probably due 40 to 50 million here by the end of the day. Okay, so this is one. So if you don't want to trade this, there's a lot of ways to trade this here. But there's also even leverage, two-time leverage. But right now, I just want to start off slow because I really don't trade Bitcoin. But now I'm back in the game here. Okay, so what do we have here today? Let's take a look at the actual Bitcoin here first. So we had a high here of 101,925. We're looking for this level here, 102.65. That's going to be your next level. And then we're going to come up here, top of this candle is 102.990. And then we have this 105.325. That is your big retest and your breakout. Now, again, if we go above this, then you're going to be looking for that 110 area. And obviously, they have predictions all the way up to, to 250,000. But let's take one level at a time. So right now, what we're looking for is just at 102.265. And then we'll come up here at that 102.990 and then that 105.325. You break out that, then we're looking for 110 area. Okay, on the downside here, we're looking here right at this 8 SMA here, looking at 98,781, and then we'll look here to today's low here at 96,290, and then we have this nice 21-day at 95,599. Now you can see here it came all the way down, held the 21-day, came all the way down, held the 21-day, and now we made a higher high and a higher low. Very nice. This is why you trade the charts, because it's all sitting right in front of you. Okay, now when we look here on the RSI level here, you're sitting at 67. Obviously, there's plenty of room to on the upside. We have a little bit bearish situation here, but that can curl back up. We can get this kind of situation and have like a run right on up here. I think Bitcoin next year is going to really explode here. They're really embracing it now, and I think they're going to make it almost like a gold and silver kind of a situation. Now, here's the one I trade is IBIT. Okay, so you can see here it's exactly the same as what we had yesterday. Came right on down to the 21-day, came around down to the 21-day, held it, and now we're above that 8-day here. Okay, so what we're looking for is obviously is today's high, looking at 57.64. We want just a little bit above that 57.25. Then your next level is going to be 58.21, and then your retest at 59.16. Now, again, if Bitcoin pushes up, this is going to push up here very, very nicely. But this is just an easy. I just want to show you it's a very easy way to trade Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look here now at crude and natty gas. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Now, the crude oil EIA numbers came out there today, and actually we had a draw in the crude of 1.425 million, which was very, very good. This was had a build of 3.235 million. And let me see here on your production. Wow. The previous is you're at 13.5 million, and now we're at 13.6 million. So the OT man, if he wants to get up to 14, 15, 16 million, I think he's going to be able to do that per day. Now, gasoline had a huge build of 5 million. And then, so overall, I can say it's been, kind of a mix, but the actual crude oil is actually working pretty good. And Cushing had a draw of 1.298 million. Okay, so there was a lot better than what that API report was last night. Okay, let's take a look here at crude. Now, remember, on the seasonality chart, you can just go to equityclock.com. It's all right there for you. I'll go on my playlist. I have seasonality charts on there for you. I got candlesticks, how to trade candlesticks, chart patterns, the whole nine. Just go out there at your convenience. Okay, now you can see here where we're having a pretty good day here. We had these down days here like this situation, and we had this rally up into that 50-day. Then we have pretty much the same thing, but you notice we're holding at 66.53, which is very, very key. And then what we did is we put this nice green candle, and then we're putting in now today a nice higher high and a higher low situation. Very, very nice. Okay, so today's high, we had this high is 70.07. Okay, so what we're looking for is next is 70.23, but this is going to be the key right here. This 50-day, okay, at 70.35. Now we're going to have the same situation we had last time, where we went up to it, and then that's where it stops, and then the following day you plunk up, and then she comes right on down. We got to see how this is going to shake out here. So realistically, this is what we're looking for. This 70.35, that's very critical, okay? Very critical. Now, again, if we can get above that, then we just look at this price channel, this 71.51, which is just the top of this candle. That's going to be your next resistance level, and then we start running right into that 100-day at 71.75. Now, again, if we can get above that, say that the price channel there and that 100-day, then that would take this downtrend out of the picture. But right now, the downtrend is still very much in play, and we're watching this key 50 SMA here. Now, on the downside, we just do the opposite of what we did before. Okay, so we're looking at support right here, looking at 69.69 level here, and then we can come down to the top of this candle here. We're looking at 69.06. And then we start running into your 68.78, your 21-day, and then we have your 8-day right below us at 68.64. But the whole key, everything is reality on crude right now is hanging right on that 50-day at 70.35. Are you going to blow through it, go to the next level, or it's going to be the same situation on this order? Now, I just scalped the long. I got rid of my short. I scalped the old long, and I'm still long the UCO, and I'm going to see what's going to happen when we get, or even possible hit that 50-day, and what's going to be reaction tonight after once the pit close, and this opens up at 6 p.m., what exactly is going to do is going to pop up like this here and then come right on down, or is she going to blow through this time? Okay, RSI here, 53, plenty of room to run. We got just flat line right here. She's in this line right here. Now the green is a little bit above the red here, but this is like a total coma going on here, okay? Just absolute flat line as you can possibly see. So just watch that 50-day. You close above it, 71.51 is the target. You get above that, then we go to 71.75, and then we can just follow the candles all the way up here. You got 72.25, and then here's your big retest there at 72.88. Bring that price channel right across. Okay, natural gas having a really good day here today. I didn't know which direction it was going to go, but I scalped the UNG here, looking very nice here. Okay, so what we did is we sold right on down. We had this double top situation, sold right on down, broke the 8-day, but you notice that it held this key 21-day. Look at nice. See, this is why you want to trade the charts. Even though it goes below, long as it closes above, this is all very bullish. Same as look at old Sticky here. Look at it. He's not only went below, but now he closed above the 21 and he closed above the 8-day very nicely. Okay, now I don't take natural gas overnight because natural gas always gives you a chance to get in. You know what I'm saying? So very nice here. I'm not looking for much in the natural gas. I trade 5,000 shares of UNG. All I look for is 25-30 cents kind of a situation. I already got that, so I'm very happy with that situation. Okay, so what we're looking for here is we're looking at today's high, 3.38. So all you have to do is just come right over the rest of the chart here. What do you have? Okay, 3.38. That is your resistance level. See how nice that works? So as this was running up, I always watch the top of this candle, 3.32. Got above it, and then we look for here for the next resistance. Look how nice that is. See? Charts, baby, charts. Okay, so next level here, if we can bust above that, we're going to come right up here. You're looking at 3.47 level, and then we'll come up here, 3.52, and then your big retest at 3.56. Let's just see how this all shakes out. On the downside, you want to watch yesterday's high. That's at 3.32 level. We'll come over here at 3.27, okay, and then we can watch here yesterday's high at roughly 19, and then right here is the key level at 3.15. This is your 8-day and your 21-day. As long as that price is above that 8-day and 21-day on a closing basis, which it is obviously here on all of these levels, this here is very bullish and can go higher. Okay, so 50, this is sitting at 60. I mean, here, there's plenty of room to run up here. This here looks like it's curling up here. We get a little curl job. Then what we do is we come right up here, just like we had here, and just like we had here. Okay, so this is looking very good. This is looking very good. Just watch that 50-day. That is the key. Okay, that's what I got for you. And I'll be back here after the old pit close at 2:30 when it closes out here. And remember, at the end of the video, I'll have all the data for you for all the EIA reports there and all the support and resistance levels there to make life a little bit easier for you. Trade in front of you. Trade in front of you, he says. Trade what's in front of you, not what you want.